Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we will decode how to find out the number of digits in an integer. Okay, suppose that we have a number 2 to the power 4. You know that 2 to the power 4 is 16, which is having two digits. But look at this problem. Suppose you are dealing with this kind of thing. So how we will find out the number of digits involved in writing this number? We will decode. So before like understanding the concept, I want you to memorize certain values. Suppose I'll give you log 2 base 10. So it is 0.3010. Log 3 base 10. It is 0.4771. Log 5 base 10, it is 0.6989. So these three values that you have to memorize. Okay, now if they will use some other prime number, I have used the prime number 2, 3 and 5 in examination. If you'll get any other prime number, they will give you the value. Okay, they don't want you to memorize this much thing. Only the conceptual clarity must be there. Okay, so first try to understand what is characteristics, and mantissa. Okay, so suppose that you know that log a base b is nothing but a number. Suppose this is the number, so this number can be anything, something point something. So this number can be break down into integral part, okay, and fractional part. So these two things, this is your characteristics. Okay, so the integral part is your characteristics and the fractional part is your mantissa. Okay, now what is characteristic? First try to understand, it is integral part. So suppose that I'll give you certain number, suppose 1.5. So what you have to do, you have to imagine yourself on the number line and you have to move towards left hand direction in the search of an integer. Okay, and the first integer will be your answer. I hope you know what is greatest integer, and the remaining thing is your fractional part. And fractional part is it should be positive always. So what we have to do, we have to understand characteristic only. Okay, so first try to go with the observation. You have to convert everything into base 10 thing. Suppose log 1, you know that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So till this many thing you have only one digit. After 10 till 99, the value will become what? Number of digit will become 2. After 100 and triple nine, till triple nine, the number of digits are 3. After 1000 and double nine, number of digits will be 4. Okay, so we know that after multiples of 10, suppose it is 1, so can I write and the base is 10. Okay, you know that after multiplication of 10, the number of digits got increased. So can I write down this thing as log 10 power 0 base 10? So you know that the value of this thing is 1, sorry, 0. So if it is 0, you know that its characteristic, look at this, its characteristics will be 0 because you are at the 0 integer, and the number of digits is 1. Suppose that on level 2 we are at 10 power 1 base 10. So here it will become what? 1. Means from here I will not use these things. What I will do, I'll talk about in between them. So from 1 to 10, it will be 0 point something, 0 point something, 0 point something, and the characteristics will be 0 and the number of digits will be 1. You know now log 2 is what? 0.301. So at 10 the value of log will become 1. So before 10 every time it will give you 0 point something now, and its characteristics would be what? It is nothing but 0 and the number of digits will be 1. Okay, now go with this idea. Log 10 power 2 base 10. So from here to this case it will be 1, and at exactly this point it will be 2, but I am talking about in between. So 1 point something, 1 point something, so characteristics will be what? 1 till 99, it is 1 point something only, and the number of digits will be what? 2. Suppose that log 10 to the power 3 base 10. So at here value will be 3, at here value is 2, so till 999 the value will be 2 point something something something, means characteristics will be 2 and the number of digits will be 3. At log 10 power 4 base 10 it will be 4. Okay, but before 10 power 4 it will be like 3 point something. From here it is 3, here it is 4, so from here to here it is 3 point something, 3 point something, 3 point something always. At exactly here for the first time it will be 4. So till here to here it is 3 and the number of digits are 4. I hope you got the pattern. So can I say that the number of digits is characteristic plus 1? What we have to do? We have to take the number on the log with base of the log to be 10, and we will find out its exact approximate value. Then what we will do? We will find out the characteristics, and for the number of integers, for the number of digits, what we will write? The number of digits is equal to characteristics plus 1. On the same basis you have to find out the number of zeros, nuggets. Okay, so what I will do, I'll give you this number, 2 1 by 2 to the power 200. So you know that 1 is being divided by a very big number, so answer will be 0.000 dot 000, suppose 12059, suppose. So what I will do, I'll ask you to find out the number of zeros just after the decimal and before first non-zero number. So here the number of zeros I will ask. Okay, so this answer will also be characteristics plus 1. Number of zeros, nuggets, donuts will be characteristics plus 1. I hope you can memorize this result. Okay, when we will solve some examples you will get clear picture. Okay, so see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.